Let's follow the train. Let's follow the following the circus train. I'm going to see part 1 and part 2 over here too. Here's the yard over here, everybody. Check out the yard. That's an awesome yard.
Anything?
Nope. Nope. Which way you going? Out?
There's an engine like the Climax on, what rail would that be? Oh yeah, Clark's Trading Post engine, just like it. If you look in the background, there's an F unit that resembles, wow, I can go up, wow, there they are, Part 1 and Part 2. Sitting there, let me zoom in on Part 1 and Part 2. G scale here. Pretty good. Okay.